Hello, welcome back to Jestina's Cooking Ideas. I hope you all doing great out there. Guys, as we are now in the period of Lent for both Christians and Muslims, I thought of bringing a recipe that would be interesting for all of us fasting at this Lenten time, which is gonna be overnight rolled oats. Here we have the list of the ingredients. It's a portion for two. I hereby display the ingredients. We have the rolled oats yogurt, almond milk, nutmeg, cinnamon powder, chia seeds with vanilla extract. This recipe is a nutritious and delicious choice for Iftar. It is also high in fiber and keeps you full and satisfied. This overnight rolled oats can be eaten for breakfast. Likewise, best to break your fast because it is light and easy to digest. And then have a more substantial meal later on. Oatmeal can be a great way to gently reintroduce food to your body after a day of fasting. Empty 125 grams of rolled oats in a glass container,
60 grams of Greek yogurt,
half a teaspoon cinnamon powder and half a teaspoon nutmeg powder, 2 teaspoons chia seeds with 15 grams of honey or maple syrup. And you don't forget to add in a pinch of salt. Add in 2 grams of vanilla extract with 250 grams of almond milk. You can use any milk of your choice, it's up to you. After adding the milk bit by bit, we're now going to mix the contents properly until everything is incorporated. Guys, you can lose weight with my effective overnight rolled oats recipe. It helps a lot. This recipe supports muscle health, good source of complex and carbs, provides sustained energy, and then continue to mix until everything is incorporated. I'm now going to add in the rest of the almond milk. I am almost done with the stirring of the contents. This recipe is really healthy and high in protein. Guys, as I am almost done with the mixing of the contents, don't forget to please clean the edge of the container before closing it, and then we're gonna refrigerate that. I'm almost done with that. I'm going to now put it in the fridge for at least 4 hours, but I'm gonna refrigerate it for 8 hours. Best results overnight. These are the fruits that I'm going to use for topping. You can use your preferred fruits. I now bring out the rolled oats after 8 hours. It's gonna be yummy, guys, to break my fast. I'm now going to do the presentation of the rolled oats with the topping of the fruits and the nuts. You can as might well heat the rolled oats in the microwave just for about 1 minute. And don't forget, guys, the fruits that are going to be added into this recipe have vitamins with minerals. You can customize with your favorite fruits and toppings. Looks yummy and attractive, and it's gonna be very tasty and digestible. You can even use blueberry with even dates. It goes perfectly well. Please comment in the comment box and tell me if you have tried this recipe, and I would be grateful if I know where you're commenting from. so I will give you a shout out in my next video. Guys, I have showed you how I prepare this nourishing and delicious iftar with overnight rolled oats with some fresh fruits. This wholesome meal will help replenish your energy and satisfy your hunger after a day fasting. For more inspiration, follow me on social media at Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe at Jestina's Cooking Ideas in YouTube. Thank you for watching. Bye.